How to change ACS 2.0.1 gun ammo to infinite ammo. As you can see, you only have limited ammo available. How to change ammo to infinite ammo. First, select your starter pack folder. Select a gun you want to have infinite ammo. Now click on the gun. Open the module script, ACS_settings. In the module script, scroll down to self.stored ammo and self.max stored ammo. Then change their values to math.huge. Then press Ctrl S to save the changes. Now play. You will see that the ammo of the gun is now infinite. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Please follow and subscribe for future videos.